We're going to be talking about these two aloe vera gel, this particular one from Diza, and then this particular brand from Luenco. That's the brand name that I can see here, Luenco aloe vera gel, and then both of them are said to be 99 aloe vera gel. A lot of people have been saying a lot of things about this product, so I bought the both of them and then I tried them. So I'm here to give you guys my honest review. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm also going to teach you how to use this the right way if you want to see effects. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi my love and welcome to my channel. It's your girl once again, and on this channel we talk about everything skincare, lifestyle, beauty, growth, self-improvement. So if this sounds like any of the things you're interested in, please kindly hit the subscription button and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload content like this, you'll be among the first people to be notified. So let's dive into why we're here without taking much of your time.
Yes, we all know that there are a lot of fakes out there, and you know, this is not going to be the regular fake versus original video that maybe you guys are expecting. No, I'm going to give you guys my honest review on these two products because I've used the both of them and I bought the both of them from legit cosmetic vendors. So I'm not going to say this Diza product is fake or this Luenco is original. I'm not going to say that, but then I'm going to tell you guys what my experience have been with the both of them and how to use them depending on the one you have. So guys, let's start with this Diza. Let's look at the consistency. Now, did you see this Diza? It has this running consistency. Some people might say because it has a running consistency is fake. Anyway, it's possible, but then let's still look at the other one from Luenco. Now, you guys see this is not moving. This one is just stagnant. So some people say this is the original one, but whichever, I'm going to be giving you guys my honest review. I've used the both. So the first one I started using was this one from Diza. When I was using this particular one from Diza, what I noticed about this is it is very watery. Like it does nothing. It's just as if you poured water on your face, and then it was giving me rashes, and there were claims that it treats sunburn, acne. The truth is, guys, it doesn't. This particular one, it doesn't. This particular one gave me more of rashes. It was not doing anything. It wasn't doing anything. That's just the truth. But then that doesn't mean this is fake. I'm still going to show you guys how to use this particular one and what you can use it for at the end of this video. Meanwhile, this particular one, this one doesn't clear any acne, even though according to what is in the pack, according to the write-ups I have here, they said it repairs condensation for acne, it works for sunburn, and it also repairs the skin. So it also claimed to help with acne. The truth is, guys, using this alone is not going to do anything to your acne. Using this alone is not going to do anything to your sunburn either. But then I can vouch for this that this is a very good moisturizer. Sometimes I use it during the day, like in the morning I can just apply this only on my face and then I'm good to go. I'll go about carrying out my daily activities. If you want this to work for you, if you want to treat pimple or dark spots or sunburn, so if you have chronic dark spot or chronic pimple that you want to get rid of, and if you use all manners of products and it's not working for you, and then you want to consider using aloe vera gel as a point of treatment, what you're going to do is you get this aloe vera gel, then get a very good face cream. You can use it with this Dodo face cream. This is Dodo face cream, okay? Or you pair it with either Fumbat A or any good tube. This is the Factor. This Defactor tube is very good. It works for acne and also works for dark spots and hyperpigmentation. If you have sunburn, you can also merge this together. Now let me teach you how to use it. This treatment I'm about to teach you guys, it is not for prolonged use, please. It's only for those that have acne and dark spots or sunburn. If you want to treat your sunburn, please. And this is not for prolonged use. You will use it once your sunburn and your acne are gone. You stop using, and then you look for a very good maintenance face cream that you can use to continue with. So what you do is, in the night after taking your bath, you now put this in your hand. You pour it in your palm, and then you apply it. If you have sunburn, you apply it under your sunburn like this. If it's acne, you can rub it all over your face depending on your skin concern. Then you leave it on and allow it to dry for like 5 minutes. Once it is dried, then you apply either your Fumbat A or this Defactor tube. It's very affordable. I got it for, I think it should be 2,000 or 1,500 naira depending on the location. And then you apply it just a little, and then you top it up. What aloe vera gel does is, it helps to neutralize anything that you're putting on your face. All those bleaching products, bleaching face cream. If you are using any bleaching product that you don't want it to damage your face, apply aloe vera gel first. It's going to serve as a barrier between that product and your skin, so that if that is too harsh for you, the aloe vera gel will now neutralize it. Because sometimes if it's too strong on your face, it will end up irritating your face the more. So this is how to use aloe vera gel. Don't just use aloe vera gel alone and expect that it's going to clear your acne or clear your sunburn. Is a lie. Aloe vera gel is just a moisturizer, and it's just like a neutralizer. It's supposed to serve as a barrier between your skin and the products that you're applying on your face. So this is how to use it, and do this only at night. If you decide to go with this Dodo face cream, the same thing. You can just, after allowing it to dry, let me apply it on my forehead here so that you guys can see. Then you just apply it on where those your pimple are. So whichever one you can lay your hand, either a very good tube like this Defactor, you can use Fumbat A, or you go with this. But please do not use this alone without aloe vera gel. Do not use this alone without aloe vera gel. If you are using any bleaching product or any product that is a lightening product, please apply aloe vera gel first on your skin before you top up that product. It's going to help to protect your skin from any chemical or harshness that product has, and it will help to prevent any form of sunburn. If you include this in your skincare routine, you're going to enjoy it, guys. So this is it. So when it comes to this other desire, remember I told you guys I'm going to teach you guys how to use this one. I can't say this is fake. I don't like concluding on people's, because the truth is I don't even know the one that is fake. Some people has it that anyone that is watery is fake, and then anyone that has color is fake. So this one is not really pure white. It has a little bit of greenish color like that. So I wouldn't call it fake. But then I will advise you, if you are doing all those DIY, all those your face masks that you apply and wash off after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you can go ahead and use this one. Do not apply this one and leave it on. If not, it's going to give you rashes, plenty rashes. But you see this one you can do anything with this one and you go scot-free. Okay, so guys, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you very much. And if you're yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. See you guys in my next. Bye.